Litre bikes following 600s, this does not make sense.
Shush everyone forward.
I can hear you coming, I'm staying so still! Oh, Jesus Christ! Holy fuck! Holy fuck! Okay, here we go. I want to see what's good. Holy shit! Just a couple dudes, no plates. Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy... Bro, he's going so hard! Oh, everyone's come... Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy fuck! Come on, babe! No! Holy fuck, wait. Holy no, just stay still for a sec. Holy shit! Just stay still for a second, bro. Oh my god, man! Jesus! Oh, are we stopping here? Oh god! Bro, 600s at a Litre bike meet. Fuck me, dead, bro. I'm so turned on right now. Holy shit. Alright, well that concludes whatever the fuck that was. That was the Litre bike event hosted by Thrill. So obviously my Litre bike's not here, so I had to ride the R6 instead. Alright, my beautiful people, whatever you're going through, life always gets better. It always does. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.